Hola YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Beauty Ballerina across all my social media platforms. If you would, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and of course get a conversation started with me in the comment section below. But yeah, we finally are able to do our last and final third part of our Amazon haul from Amazon Prime Day. Some of my final items just came in. So we're going to go ahead and go over these final pieces just to give you guys some different options as far as shopping, especially price rise, as far as what's more affordable, what's more convenient. So if you're ready to see the final part of our Amazon haul, then you already know. Just keep watching.
You might be the one taking me home. One thing really lead to one.
Okay, so the first thing that I got, and I went ahead and got some more press-on nails in. These are the press-on nails that you guys already saw from, I think, either part 1 or part 2 when I was talking about the nails. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with these. These were super affordable. My outfit that I got for the event that I got to go to next month, when it came in, I thought it was more like a yellow, which is why I got the yellow press-on nails. But it's more of a loud green yellow. So I went ahead and got these green tips to try to go with the outfit, to try to match it up a little bit better with the outfit. Of course, I'm going to do a close-up and show it to you guys a little bit closer, but these are the press-ons, and I actually love them. I don't have any problems. They're affordable. They last real well. I don't have any problems. None of them have popped off. None of them have broken, chipped, or anything like that. So, pretty great find. If you're looking for colors with your press-on nails, stones, gems, matte, gloss, whatever it may be, check out Amazon because they definitely do have some pretty great ones there. The next thing that I went ahead and got, this is always going to be the same thing. I don't know why I updated my auto ship for these to ship me out 3 when I only need 2 every 2 months. I told you guys before that for me, I just put it on auto ship because I know as soon as they come in, oh, it's time to go ahead and change out my Febreze plugins. But this is the 3-pack that they have for the Febreze plugins, and I always get the Game scent. That's my favorite scent. For me, it's just so easy. As soon as Amazon drop off the box, I just open up the box, change out all the Febreze plugins in my house, and keep it moving. Don't have to worry about it again for another 2 months. I don't have to run back to Walmart, Target looking for them. Sometimes they're sold out. They're hard to find. Or if I find them, I can only find 1 or maybe 2, and I have to wind up getting the 2-pack, and that costs more money than actually getting what I need with the 3-pack. So for me, it's just cost effective and also time saving. So again, I tell you guys, your everyday household needs that you use monthly or bi-monthly, go ahead and just put it on auto ship with Amazon, and you can choose your frequency, whether it's every month, every other month, 6 months, 8 months. You can go in and choose it, whatever makes sense for you and your household. Now, the next thing that I went ahead and got was a re-up. I love Kim Kardashian's fragrances. Some of her newer fragrances I like as well, but my all-time favorite scent from Kim Kardashian is the original KK Kim Kardashian scent. And I may have all of, if you can see it right there at the bottom, I may have all of maybe 1 more day of spray in here because of how I actually spray my perfumes. And I was like, oh, time to go ahead and re-up. So I went ahead and picked up a new box from Amazon. And the thing I love about being able to go ahead and get these packages when they come in from Amazon is it's affordable, it's efficient for me. I know exactly what my packaging should be from my old one that I have to the new one that I just got. So that way, if I ever get anything in and it's not the way it should be. This scent is floral. It's floral like hibiscus or jasmine or peony. And it does have a little bit of vanilla. It's very soft and feminine. It's just one of those traditional, great, amazing scents. Super affordable. Because I've already had this in my collection, and this is probably my 4th or 5th time repurchasing this scent, I already know what it should smell like. So if I ever get it and it's off or it doesn't smell like my scent should, then I know I got a fake bottle, and I'm immediately reaching out to Amazon, letting them know so I can go ahead and send it back and get my money back. When you're ordering perfume and colognes on Amazon, part of their return policy is it is no return, boo. So unless it's some other issue, some other problem that's happening with your actual product, you know, if you're purchasing perfume and colognes off Amazon, you're going to purchase it. So just keep that in mind if you're planning on making any purchases as far as fragrances on Amazon, just so you guys know. The next fragrance that I went ahead and got, this is Perfumer's Choice by Victor. And this is the green one. It's chosen by Victor. Okay, so this is the number 9. Okay, so this is the one in the green bottle. A lot of people kept talking about that this scent reminded them a little bit of Baccarat 540. Not Baccarat 540 Rouge. Those are two totally different scents. So, I wanted to go ahead and get this. This is how it opens. I wanted to go ahead and get it and just try to see if it smells anything like Baccarat 540. I know that it shouldn't have them. Okay, I wasn't expecting it to spray like that. You know how typically you gotta prime it and it's like that type of spray? So it's like almost kind of like it sprays out like a body spray, but it's actually a perfume in a perfume bottle. That's super weird. Okay, so this does not smell like Baccarat at all. It does not smell like Baccarat 540 at all. Nothing about this even puts you in the same tones of the scents, the notes of the different tones that are in Baccarat. Nothing. If anything, this is just, it's a great smelling scent. It's a lot of musk and sandalwood. You can definitely smell the body in the scent. So it's not that I'm mad about the body in the scent at all. This is 2.8 fluid ounces. So I'm not upset about the body in the scent, but I bought it thinking it was going to be on the cheaper end, a dupe of Baccarat 540. So I can bring you guys some alternative scents. Starting out, Baccarat 540 is going to start out at $300. The Baccarat 540 Rouge is going to start out at $425. What is the Baccarat Rouge 5? What is it? Yeah, 540. Okay, whatever. So you guys know those prices start to really jump up there. So I'm on the hunt for some dupes for that scent for you guys so that I can bring together a video and give you different options. But this ain't it, honey. No, this ain't it. The dry down on it gives off a little sweet vanilla spice. It's a spicy scent, but it's not too strong or too bothersome. It's definitely a fall scent. It's not a springtime scent, but it's definitely a fall, close, cuddle weather type of scent. It smells good. I don't have any problems with it. It's super affordable. So I don't have any problems with it being what it is for what it is. It's just definitely not a Baccarat dupe. So if you see this or you see anybody talking about it and they're saying, hey, this is one of the dupes for Baccarat, you can already go ahead and go to their comments and tell them to stop lying to people. Because, yeah, no. If you've ever smelled Baccarat, then you already know that that scent is a very unique scent. And no, this ain't it, Chief. This is not it. It's beautiful. It's pretty. It's just not it. Okay, so time for the fun part, for the clothes. So for the clothes portion, I did go ahead and get another one of the sleepwear sets. The one that's a crop top and board shorts on the bottom. I did go ahead and get it in another color. So now I got like 5 of these, I think, 4 of these. I'm going to try on all the different colors. Because sometimes when manufacturers manufacture these outfits, it's just a sleepwear set, loungewear set around the house. This is the actual top. It's a crop top. And these are the actual shorts for the actual crop top. A lot of times when manufacturers manufacturing the same thing, but it comes in different colorways or whatever it may be, sometimes the different colors can fit differently. So I'm going to try on all of them for you guys, just so that way you guys know. The largest size they come in is the 2XL, and I got it in 2XL, and it fits me perfectly fine. I am a 3X, 2X, 1X, depending on the material stretch, how that works out. I am right now on my weight loss journey, a size 22 in women. So I'm no longer a 24. I'm a size 22 in women now at this point. So just so you guys know, I'm 5'9". Ellen and I already talked to y'all about my weight loss journey, but I weighed in and I was 306 2 days ago. Last year, when I had my surgery, I was 343. So we're heading there. We got a ways to go, but we're heading there. So just so you guys know, I'm 306, 5'9", 22 in women. Depending on the scratching size, I'm either 3X, 2X, 1X. It just really depends. I cannot bust my butt into a size 20 at all. I cannot bust my size into an extra large at all. It just, no, it does not work. But speaking of which, I did go ahead and get these in a 3XL, and these are the two-piece sets. They're a crop top and a skirt with the little tie, the tie part in the front that goes around, you know, your stomach and your belly. So if you just had a baby, or if you're plus size like me and, you know, we got the belly, the stomach, the fupa, whatever you want to call it, girl, it's kangaroo pouch, whatever it is, these crop tops are really, really pretty. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and try it on for you guys in the upcoming try-on haul, but I just wanted to show it to you. And the bottom is really nice material. Not too thin, but it is, you know, not really see-through for the most part. But anyway, so this is how it actually looks. The skirt is like this. Of course, I'll put the picture of it. The thing that I love about these so much, which is why I continuously buy them, is they have this little tie right here in the front. And because it ties, you're able to cinch it in at your waist and cover. You can pull it up to above your belly button or right below your belly button, just depending on how your waist situation is set up, as far as a larger waist, a larger tummy, whatever it may be. Just had a baby, you're pregnant, or just plus size like me, whatever it may be. I'm gonna give you guys some options as far as how to style crop top sets to make your waist look a little bit smaller. Obviously, it's exposed skin, but the way you actually where you place your skirt on your waist can go ahead and make your waist look a little bit smaller, widen your hips, and flatten your stomach just a little bit. And it's just from the band placement in the actual skirt. I'll show you guys that. Anyway, I love it so much, I went ahead and got it in a lime green too. And I did go ahead and get some more lingerie that I'm going to put a picture up for you guys. For this one, this will be part of the plus size lingerie haul that I got coming for you guys. So it is coming. This is one of my final pieces. This was in a size 4XL because, you know, I will tell you guys, when you're shopping on Amazon, they do go ahead and give you guys the size chart. So it does come with a pair of thongs with it. Well, okay, this is G-string actually. And this is the actual top part. Wait, is this the robe? I thought this was another piece of lingerie. This is the actual robe. So my biggest thing with getting robes and things is because I have big arms, I have to have the skin removal surgery. I already know I'm going to have a tummy tuck. I'm going to have the arm reduction surgery and everything once I go on my, finish my weight loss journey. Because I've gained and lost weight, had kids, gained and lost weight, life. I'm fat. Okay, so because of that, I have excess skin. So you can see where my arm should be and all the extra skin that's on my actual arm. So I'm waiting until I get to probably like around 215, 220 to go ahead and book my surgery. To go ahead and I'm having a complete mommy makeover. I'm getting my breasts done. I'm getting my arms taken care of. I'm getting a tummy tuck, the whole nine. And I might have to get a thigh lift. I don't know. It just really depends on my workout journey, how much I'm able to tone. And that leaves me with what the doctor needs to go ahead and take care of. I will be taking you guys on that actual journey. I am filming some of the stuff along my weight loss journey. So that way I can put up a video and let you guys know, hey, this worked for me doing my weight loss journey. This didn't work. Hey, this is what helped motivate me. For the most part, I'm lazy. I should have been already closer to my goals than I am now. Since I started this 6 months ago. Really, to be honest with you, I'm just lazy. So it's just me. You would probably have a better time doing the workout and everything than I would. Because I'm inconsistent and I can't stick to it. That's my problem. But anyway, so this is the actual robe. I'll show it again. I'll show it to you guys in the actual try-on haul from Amazon. It does come with this little G-string with the robe. So I guess it's part. it'll be part of my lingerie since this is a lingerie option. And I do like the fact that the robe actually does come with a tie belt. So you guys can go ahead and tie and cinch it in at the waist. And thank God this actually comes with the belt loop. I hate when you have the sexy sheer robes or around the house or with your boo or whatever, and they don't come with the belt loop and it be slipping. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm happy that it came with these 3 pieces. I didn't really need this. I mean, but you know, it's good that it came together just in case you guys don't have thongs, G-strings, different things like that. So it did come together as a package. So that is something that is coming for you guys. Again, I'm going to try it on and show you guys everything like I told you. And the final thing that I got is this 3-piece set. It's a duster. It's a crop top. And it's also a pair of pants. But it's in, you guys can see this sweater type material. It's heavy. So that's one thing I was like, oh, at least it's heavy. Because, you know, sometimes when you're ordering these outfits online, different ads that pop up on Facebook, Instagram, different places you're shopping. It looks really nice looking at it on the computer, looking at the model, but when you get it, it's some cheap, thin crap. So I like the fact that this is super duper heavy. So this is the actual duster. Now I'm already seeing I may have a problem with the arms. That may be a problem with the arms, because I have the extra skin and different things with my actual arm. So I'm going to see exactly how this stretches out to see exactly how it actually works. Again, that's a 2X. If you don't have super large arms like me, then that shouldn't be a problem for you. And these are the actual pants. So they're nice and they're pretty long. For me to be 5'9", these are pretty long. So we'll go ahead and see how that works. And this is the crop top that goes underneath it. This looks like a short crop top. This is like it's going to be a little bit longer than a bralette on me. I am a 44 triple D. So for me, these tops and things, sometimes they can be kind of like a bralette just simply because it's so much here they have to cover. So the crop top kind of gets a little shorter. Anyway, I'm going to try it all on in a haul for you and show you guys and just give you the rundown as far as my sizings, how it wears, the material, everything. I'm going to do all that for you. Those will be 2 separate videos. One is the lingerie video and one is a clothing haul try on. I just wanted to make sure I got everything in before I actually started to do the video for you guys. But that's it. We're at the end of this video. That is the end of that Amazon haul. Next thing coming up is the try on, honey, because that's where the truth of the pudding is. Okay, everything else is everything else. But when it comes to the clothes, baby, either I'm going to be able to squeeze this body into it or I'm not going to be able to squeeze this body into it. But thank you so much for coming back and spending some time with your girl, YouTube. You already know. I don't care when you watch me in the morning, afternoon, evening, or late at night. I'm just happy that you chose to come spend some time with your girl. And as always, thank you so much, YouTube. And until next time, have a good one.